Good morning, YouTube family. So we are overcast today. Probably going to be about 20% chance of rain. But next week is supposed to be sunny all week. So here's the thing. It's like, here's my Jeep. And I've had the top on all week because we've had rain. So I think what I'm going to show you today is how I take my top off. Stick around. Okay, so it still looks like it's going to rain. I'm not sure that I'm going to actually pop the top off today. I may wait until Monday, but I am going to take the doors off. So let me spin you around and show you how we do that. All right, so it's really easy actually. If I can do it, anybody can. So Jeep is made with these little bolts, and there's one in the bottom of each hinge. So, and the Jeep comes with a toolkit. And unfortunately, I can't do this, hold my selfie stick and take the doors off. So you'll just have to trust me on this. I'm going to take out those two bolts, and then I'm going to come back and lift the door off. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I also have to unclip the power windows. So you pull that cover off, and this is a two-handed job, but I'm going to flip up this white switch and push a button and pull down, and this is going to disconnect. I'll show you that in a second. Okay. White clip was up, disconnected. You've got a hook. Where's the hook? Can't get it on the camera lens. Okay, you got a hook with a cable. And again, two-handed. Hold on. Okay, once it's disconnected, I'm just going to tuck it into the pocket on the Jeep door. That'll keep it out of my way. And then I'm going to take the hinges off. Okay. This little hinge right here also has to come off, and then we're good to go. Alright, as you can see, the door is off. Woohoo! Halfway to naked. I'll be right back. So if you're like me, I have these cool pipe doors. So, after I get my solid doors off, I drop the pipe doors in. They just fit right into the exact same hinges and reuse the original pins. Now the only thing is you will have the one extra pin from the door jamb. So in the back of your Jeep, they actually give you storage for these because most people would lose them, and they're all labeled. Door hinges, your roof. Where's it at? Hard to read. Roof, doors, windshield. So yeah, the whole thing comes apart. So there we go. I store it right there until I'm ready to put my doors back on. Alright, let's tighten this baby up and then rinse, repeat, and do the other side. And then the last step after you get your pipe doors attached is there is a safety cable, and all we're going to do is put it back on the hook where the previous door was. We are going to take the plastic cover that covered the electronics, maybe if I can do it one-handed, and snap it back in place. Okay, so both doors off. I'm not trusting the weatherman, so I am going to leave the top on. However, I did remove my freedom panels, so we're riding around half naked. So ladies, when you ride in a Jeep that's topless, or that has the doors off, or has bar doors, and you're by yourself, you have to remember to buckle your purse in. Because if your purse falls over and goes out the door, you are not going to be a happy camper. Now, most of the time your groceries will ride safely in the back and you don't have to worry about tying them down. The other thing to remember when you're riding topless or without doors is to make sure that your floor mats are snapped in, or take them out, because otherwise they will go on their own little magic carpet ride and you'll have flying carpets around in your Jeep. So it's always advised to take those out before you drive. And then the next question, and the last question, and the always question, but did you die?